It's hard to pronounce Krzysztof, so it's Chris. My name is Krzysztof Debski. I work as Victor mentioned, as a software architect in Allegro Group. Allegro is the biggest e-commerce platform in Poland. We share about 50% of the e-commerce in Poland, so it's kind of big. We are part of the multinational company called Naspers. We are still part of them. And I work there as an IT architect. I work there as a developer. I'm really happy about this software heritage because we open source some of our tools, and I hope I'm gonna find them. But I don't only want to tell to you about software, software and what we do as a core platform. I want to say something about our side project, which we called Allegro.tech, because we thought about 2 years ago that it would be great to share some of our knowledge, not only inside the company, but we want to share with some other people from with communities, with IT communities, with developers, with people that want to be IT professionals, IT experts. And that's why we decided to open source some of our tools, and that's why we put them on the GitHub. But what is more important for me, we decided to share our knowledge, and we encourage our developers, our people, to go to the conferences and to say what we are doing, because it's great to tell about this and to sell, I would say, sell all the things that we thought about to other companies and to people that are interested in this, but also to reach to the students, because that was the first group that we wanted to reach, and we decided it would be great to teach people how to code, to teach new group of experts, to have to reach to people from the technical universities, to teach them code, to teach them to be the better professionals. And that was the first part of our work. But as we go further in this, we saw that it's not the only group of people that we should focus on. We saw that there are a lot of groups that are excluded from the digital transformation. The first group that we looked was the younger people than students. We reached to the students from the primary schools. We reached even to the kids from the preschool, and we thought it would be good not only to teach them to code, to be the future experts in IT, but there are a lot of people that, you know, the children knows better than we how to use iPhone, but they don't know how to be safe in the internet. So we thought it would be great to include them into this digital transformation and to be aware of all the unsafety in the internet. So that was the second group. As we reached to the students from the primary school, we saw the huge inequity of boys in IT and boys in technology versus the girls. So we decided to run a couple of programs. We ran dress code with some other companies in Poland. The program that was about to reach to the girls from the primary school, to make them aware of the technology, not only to be the experts of the IT, because not all of us need to be experts, but to learn, to teach them how to make the analytics skills usable, not only in the IT, but in the real life. So we decided to reach another group of what we saw excluded from this transformation, that are under that was too few of people from this group, from the girls that we want to reach. As we reached the girls, we thought it would be also to reach the women in tech. We saw in our company that it's also a huge inequity of men versus women. So we ran the program Women in Tech. And again, it's not only about being developer. It's not only about building a software, as we saw. It's also about designing. It's also about a bunch of stuff that need to be built to use software, as we saw it, to build the digital platforms. So we encourage women that have capabilities to run this technology, to run digital platforms, and encourage them to leverage their skills, to build their skills, and to work with us. And the last group that we haven't thought before was the teachers. Because when you go to school, you see a lot of students that you are using mobile phones and a lot of teachers that don't know anything about mobile phone, that should teach children how to be secure in the web, but they don't know what the web is. So we invited teachers to our office, and we did numerous of workshops to teach them how to teach children to be safe. Because it's not only about us. It's not only, we cannot be everywhere. We wanted to teach another group, and we wanted to include them to this digital transformation. And as an IT company, we also thought it's gonna be good to reach to the Sustainable Growth Program. And we reached the students from the economics schools, we reached the ISEC program, and we also showed them that it's not only about economy, it's also about digital. It's also about the digital transformation, digital revolution. So we asked them to work with us on the workshops on the sustainable growth. We decided that the best for us is the education. As Jean mentioned, the education is the key for me. And if you ask me what's the key priority in our work, is the education, is the inclusion of the groups that are actually excluded from this digital transformation, and the groups that cannot use the digital platforms right now. If we'll teach them, maybe they become new builders of those digital platforms, at least some of them. Thank you.